I'm gonna get it. No, no, this time I'm gonna get it. This time I'm really gonna get it. Okay, I got it. I got it. Yay, yay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I lost. Ah. Hello guys, my name is AliKDS, and this is going to be an amazing game development series using C++. Yes, basic C++, just for loops, arrays, basic no functions or in main function. Yes, there's going to be a little bit of functions, but those are not in the game. The game is in a main function, for loops, arrays, and variables. That is all that is used there. Of course, the CRNC and a few functions like keyboard hit, but we are going to use the most basics of things in C++ to develop these amazing games. Yes, guys, just using basic C++, we're going to develop these amazing games. So if you really want to develop these games and surprise your friends with it, your teachers with it, so follow this tutorial series, and we're going to develop a few really amazing games. And if you have any ideas on your mind, just click on it and just send it to me. I'm going to develop those games for you, and let's just do this. Okay, so we have this player down here. It can move, it can animate. As you can see, it's moving its leg there, its head is kind of changing, the heart is falling, the life is changing. If I get the heart, the score updates. If I doesn't, the life goes down, and well, game's over. Yeah, these amazing game over animation, all of this is done in simple C++. No other tool used, no other coding used, no other library used. Simple basic for loops and arrays. So guys, if you want to do this amazing work, create these amazing games and implement them in your own ideas, just follow along guys. This is for you. And you can also change this to any other language, Python, Java. It's easy, the basics, and it can be changed to any other language really easily. You can always change these games to Unity and any other. Just follow the rules and understand the logic. It's all the same. So that's it guys, this is the intro video. So this series is going to be starting from the next video. We're gonna teach you how to install dev, and after that we're gonna start the coding. So stick together guys, and let's do this. Have a nice day. Subscribe if you haven't, if you think this was helpful, so give it a thumbs up, and see you soon.